After 35 minutes, the banana is looking bouquet. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Looks good. Yeah. Today I'm so happy because for the first time in Norway I have some banana leaf. You can say banana leaf, that's what they wrote. In Cameroon we mostly use the one from plantain, but it's the same thing. And I think these, they are coming from Asia, super expensive. Now banana has been washed. I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes. The water I've put right now is a little bit much. Later I will reduce it. After 10 minutes of boiling my banana, I went ahead and reduced the water. Guys, they say practice make perfect. I make the perfect matoke right now. I've tried so many times and I'm good. Yes. After 35 minutes, the banana is looking bouquet. The banana is juicy. Maybe let it boil a little bit more. What do you think? I have a small sample here. Nice. So simple, easy, simple, breezy cover girl. See, this is doing good. I made it the last time and I thought it was too dry. See how soft it is? This is perfect. It's okay. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I have some plantain leaf. Plantain. Don't talk like you are from the other side of the world. So I am not going to take the risk to try to use only this, because to be sincere, I'm not those our parents in Africa. They are good with things like this. Not me, mama. Fun. That is so beautiful, guys. It's the first time I'm cooking with plantain leaf. First time I'm cooking with plantain leaf. I can say in my life, because in Africa I always see people using it, but I was never there to use it. I was not qualified to cook those kind of food. It was always our mom or our grandmothers doing it. Beautiful. Oh my god, this looks good. I want it flat. So press. This is so nice, and this is going to the oven. So now our baby girl is out of the oven. Let's see. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Looks good. Well done, everybody from East Africa. Please tell me how I have done today. I think I've done a very good job. Nyamachoma, nyam nyam. Oh my God, look at this. My matoke came out so good, so super delicious. You guys do that? No. Let's dig in, guys. Let's dig in. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Food is so super delicious. Don't bother. I'm eating with somebody. They don't want to be in the camera. The food is so good. Oh my God. I'm very sure we're going to eat everything. Nom nom. Cheers, guys. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Food is so super delicious. Don't bother. I'm eating with somebody. They don't want to be in the camera. The food is so good. Oh my God. I'm very sure we're going to eat everything. Nom nom. Cheers, guys. Oh my God, guys. Food is so good. While that person is filming, I'm going to eat it all. What do they say in East Africa again? Nyamachoma, nyam nyam, guys. Remember to follow, like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Hello, guys, and welcome to Andine's kitchen. Guys, I'm going to peel some banana. I do this. I've already added a little bit oil on my hands. That way, there is this black gum thing that you get from the banana. It's like glue-like thing. I don't want it on my hands, so I do this. There are other things you can do to clean your hands after cleaning the banana. Guys, I love food. So when I come across matoke for the first time, I thought it was just super delicious. Of course, we have fufu plantain where I come from in Africa, but we don't do it the same way that like they do in East Africa.